Okay, what's up, guys? My name is Efri. I'm the general manager and head coach of Ohana. And how did I get into fitness? Before joining a gym, I was this skinny guy, a soccer player, naglaro for LaSalle Green Hills. I played for the NCAA. I had a best friend who joined CrossFit in 2011 or 12 siguro. Kasi tatanong ko sa kanya about gym. Siyempre, college na, gusto natin magpalaki ng katawan, di ba? So, yun. And then, he sent me a video of, I think it was Josh Bridges. Same height, different build as me. Siyempre, mas sobrang payat. He was really buff at that time. And then he was lifting, I think he was doing cleans at that time. And he was like, kaya mo din yan. And I was like, huh? Ano magiging kaya yan? And then I joined a CrossFit gym and the rest was history. What's one thing people don't know about you outside the gym? When I was a kid, when I was still in the States, I love the show Barney. So after school, whenever I go home, I'm really, really excited to go home. And then darating ako sa bahay, my tito at that time, he always watches TV. And then, syempre, as a sotel, he wouldn't let me watch a TV. So I would cry my heart out, really begging him to watch na, payagan niya akong manood ng Barney. Kasi sakto-sakto yung time ng start ng Barney, ng show ng pagdating ko sa bahay. And that's how I love that show talaga. No one knows that. What kind of coach are you? I'm a fun coach. I love fooling around with my athletes. But, you make an interview. But at the same time, I'm a very technical coach. I make sure na my athletes, tutok talaga sila. Because again, the things that we do here, it's very technical. It's not safe. And, that's really my priorities, their safety. Other than, palakasin sila. What's one thing members don't see behind the scenes? Ooh, this takes a lot of my time, to be honest, especially coaching a lot of classes. The prep, the lesson plans that I do, I treat every class like an event. I plan from start to finish. That's the moment I step in the gym. And then, the moment I end my cool down and stretch, lahat yon planado. So, para mas smooth yung mga classes ko. So, yun yung di nakikita ng mga athletes. What makes coaching at Ohana different from anywhere else? Itong group of members that we have in Ohana, they're all new. Like coming from, of course, different gyms. But the way we train here, it's pretty new to them. So I see the hungerness to know the movements in classes, especially pag nagtatanong sila about, the movements, or they seek for how they can improve for the movements. The past gyms that I've had, that I coach at, most, I guess I would say 80-85% or maybe 90% very experienced na. So yun, like I really appreciate this group kasi nga andun yung hungerness to learn, andun yung hungerness to improve in every class. Last question, what made you say yes to Ohana? So when some of the members approached me helping to build a new gym, I really saw in their eyes na they wanted to do it. They wanted it to continue it. And to be honest, sa ganitong location, in our side of
Good job
Parañaque,
today, guys.
there's not much
Good job today, Mao.
gyms na nag-offer ng ganitong service.
Good job, man. Good job, Rock.
And nakita ko sa kanila na ayaw
Good
talaga
job.
nilang tumira.
Good job, man.
And because of that, dun ko talaga na feel na I think, parang this is it. I really said yes agad. Not just because I wanted to build my own, but at the same time, it really felt home. So that's all for me. See you later.